Good evening. Welcome to BA 377. I'm just going to give you a quick intro. My name's Jim Parker. I'll be the instructor for the course. What we're going to do is Tuesday nights at 6 o'clock each week, we'll have the regular lecture. I chose Tuesdays just because it's early in the week, 6 o'clock, hopefully because most people who are working day jobs are done by then. It's not a steadfast requirement that you be there for the Collaborate sessions. They will eventually end up on YouTube, but in terms of assessing participation and making the course a little bit more interesting, it would be good if people can be there. Like I say, the next day, like Wednesdays, in the morning, it will be loaded up to YouTube, and you can watch it there. We'll be using Blackboard a lot for this course, and obviously we'll be turning in the assignments that way. We'll be taking the two midterms that way. The final will be proctored, and it will be comprehensive, so you're not doing yourself a favor if you do something screwy on the midterms. But let me just show you. I wanted to give you a heads up on Collaborate. Some of you have used this before. There is a launcher you got to load up ahead of time, so if you just show up at 6 o'clock and try and log on, you're not going to be there on time. So, initially it loads that software, and then every other week it'll work just fine. So you'll find the session, and you'll hit it. What's it doing? Anyway, join room. It's going to download some little file, and then when that thing executes. Anyway, now we're relying on all these consecutive miracles. It's like anything on Blackboard. It's usually kind of clunky, but it's what we got. No malware detected. Got some cool Russian software that's killing me. Anyway, I beg to differ. I think there's some bad software on there. So we're just waiting on this thing, and there it pops up. So you can see over here, this will be I'm the moderator. There'll be people in here. There'll be video in here. Typically I can start the recording.
Recording started.
That'll be a different set. I've got a backup recording because for YouTube I find it's better just to go with an external type recorder. Anyway, chat, permission, all that kind of stuff. So I encourage you to, if you can, try and make time on Tuesdays at 6 o'clock to do that. I know we've got a lot of folks trying to add the class, and I'll do what I can to get you in there. And, we'll kind of modify the way the assignments. We're going to have to keep everything kind of automated to keep track of everything. There's going to be a lot of students in here. But anyway, I know some of you got requirements to get this course done this summer. So, like I say, I'll do what I can to help you out. I'll post this thing in assignments, and as other stuff comes up, the syllabus is out there. It's posted. And if you have any issues, let me know. But I think I'll go more into explanations on Tuesday in terms of other course requirements and stuff like that, how the course is actually going to operate. So the main thing you can do to help yourself out is just try and get there on Tuesday at 6 o'clock. All right. Welcome to the course.